Good morning. Good morning. It's installation time, installation day. I'm going to be putting this 327, and I'm going to finish assembling real quick into the 6 new Impala by myself because I work alone in my shop, and that's okay. I'll do the best that I can, but yeah, this is going to on its way down to Huntington Beach after this. Looks very cleaned up. Going to have to dust it off, cover it with soft fabric so I don't scratch anything, and going to convert it from a Power Glide to a Turbo 350. I don't even know where I put the transmission at. Oh, wait. Is it right here? Let's see here. Nope, nope, nope. Those two. Nope. Oh, there it is right there. Turbo 350 right here. Built. Everything new on it. Also going in there. Here's all the hardware that I'm going to put back on the engine real quick. Redone radiator, shroud. Everything's in black powder coated. Spare wire in case I need something. Look at all these webs that just happened in 2 days. Damn. Torque converter. And this is the 327 I built. Already broken in, so there's no guessing. And I'll have this thing set in this morning. Trying to hurry up because it's going to be 103 degrees today. So, wish me luck. One of these days I'll get my stuff together and enough money to make be able to hire some help full time. And that way I can knock out this job just in one day. But unfortunately, I just don't have that at the moment. So, yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Once I get this thing fired up, it will be up for sale. Has new everything. New interior. New everything. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful green. It's got a Bel Air interior. Bel Air style interior. I'm in Sacramento, California. You see this, they did a great job on this. This usually like on a 55, 56, 57 Chevy, and then he actually incorporated on this Impala. I think they did a great job. The black is like glass. It's just a little dusty right now. But I'm going to dust it off, put some soft cloth on it, on the fenders, and get this motor dropped in. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to do the tranny first. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the motor or the tranny first, because I don't have the tool to put both of them in there. It's at my dad's shop, and I'm not going to go all the way back an hour to go grab it. And I can't order one to get here quick enough. And I looked at Amazon just for the hell of it, but it's going to take 2 days to get the leveler, to get the motor and tranny in at the same time. But yeah, feeling blessed this morning because I'm in Sacramento, California, because these engines are done. Man, they are finally done. Big block is done. 327 is done. 283 is done. They're done. They're done. Man, all I got, you guys see the stuff sitting around because I was taking things off to fix some things, but this is going to be bolted up in minutes. The only one I'm going to reassemble now is right here, but I just got to add the intake to it. This Stroker 383 will be done. It's going in next week. Everything's brand new. Serpentine setup for the pulleys on the front. The only thing I don't like, and I told the owner, I go, hey, you can go with these, but I freaking hate these shorty headers. You guys know what I'm talking about? I just don't like these shorty headers. There's no benefit to having these. They're not tuned. They're not balanced. They're just shooting straight air out, and it just bounces around here. So the back pressure isn't balanced. It's not that great. Shorty headers, if you absolutely have to, I get it, but they're not worth the pain. Headers always leak. You have to put Loctite on them and get them real hot and lock them down real tight. But yeah, I got these stainless steel ones from my buddy here. Yeah, so anyways, guys, I just want to say good morning. Happy Monday. We'll see you in a couple of days. This thing should be fired up and on its way back down to LA area. Huntington Beach, I'm sorry. So good morning, good morning.